boss, Ambassador as that of the House of Rep candidate. But for the House Assembly, Your Excellency, the whole world, they talk about the Beijing, they talk about the gender issue. You do not only give the talk, you walk the talk. By what you have done in Emohua, you have actually brought a nation. You have told people that our women deserve a place in our activities. You have said our women need to go to where they belong. Today, we are presenting this flag. By the power you conferred on me as the leader of this party in the state, Your Excellency, I present this flag to Chief Justice L.G.A. that will go and represent the people of Emohua. Congratulations.
Have you seen my beautiful baby? Yeah. Have you seen my tomato baby? Yeah. Baby, soft with the cool with the temper. Ada, baby, no sugar, sugar. Yeah. Just now, everybody the west. We take a mama. We find the mama. Help me. But that's up on the mama killer.
Your Excellency, to speak to our people, let me invite my boss, the National Vice Chairman of our party, Chief Dan Obi, DSS ROS, to speak to his people in Rivers State. Invite Senator Onyeso to respond on behalf of other candidates. Senator Onyeso, the senator of the Wike. You want me to use this one?
Your Excellency, I will hide behind the permission you've already granted that we should skip protocols. And today we won't say much, we'll just thank you like we thanked you yesterday. When we were at Ikwere yesterday, we saw that the ground has already been properly made wet for us to win election easily. Today we are happier because this ground is even wetter than what you saw yesterday. Emohua, no chekao, no kankao, and mekao, and mekao, and mekao. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Thank you very much, PDP. Thank you, the people of Emohua. Thank you, PDP Campaign Council. Thank you very much.
I invite the National Vice Chairman of our party, Chief Dan Obi, to speak to your people in this zone. Chief Dan Obi, sir.
Come by God. I see Fubara. Come by God. Get your BBC about. Get your BBC about. Come by God. Yeah. I see Fubara. Come by God. Get your BBC about. Senator by God. Come by God. I see Fubara. I see Fubara. BBC I said I saw my daughter. Oh my daughter. Oh my daughter. I see Fubara. Oh my daughter. Yeah. It's your BBC
PDP. Power to the people. Power to the youth. Power to the women. Power to our leaders. PDP. Your Excellency,
the performing governor, outstanding governor of Rivers State, Barrister Wike. I greet you. Your Excellency, the incoming governor of Rivers State, Fubara, I greet you. Let me say, I stand before the good people of Emohua to greet you and appreciate the level of support you have for our great party, PDP. As I stand before you, I bring you fraternal greetings from the zonal headquarters of our great party, South-South Zone. I have observed with relish what I'm seeing here today. The people of Emohua are PDP. I want to congratulate you, and I want to say I'm glad and satisfied that I'm part of today Emohua campaign of PDP simplified campaign for the 2023 election. Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, let me say, a few weeks ago, I put together a team to give me an on-the-spot assessment of the performance of PDP in the South-South state. Their interim report showed that the governor of Rivers State scored 99.9%. They told me the remaining 0.1% is left for the remaining months of his government in office in Rivers State. Let me seize this opportunity, therefore, to congratulate the governor of Rivers State for his outstanding performance as a governor who has brought dividends of democracy to the people of Rivers State. What can I say but to thank the people of Emohua for this wonderful support? As we look up to the coming elections, from what I see here, I can proudly go home to say, Emohua people, with your demonstration of support for PDP, for the governorship election, it is consolidation and continuity. When I say governorship election, say consolidation, continuity. Governorship election, consolidation, Senate election, consolidation, continuity. House of Rep election, consolidation, continuity. House of Assembly election, consolidation, continuity. Rivers State, consolidation, continuity. God bless you.
PDP! Do you want to see the consolidation governor? Do you want to see the continuity governor? I'm not sure you are ready. If you are ready, let me see your hands up. Let me see your hands up. Let us welcome our incoming governor, Siminialayi Fubara.
Come out for your canopies. Come out for your canopies. Come out for your canopies. Americana, Americana,
Power to the women.
PDP.
Power to the youth.
PDP.
Power to the leaders of PDP in Emohua.
PDP.
Power to our leaders. His Excellency, our leader, which is not disputable. The signs are everywhere that you are the leader and leader indeed. The zonal chairman of our great party that has come to give us support today, the party chairman of our party, the chairman of our party in the state, our DG, special DG for consolidation and continuity, other leaders of our party in the state, the local government chairman and leaders of Emohua, PDP, more especially Oha, Sergeant Awusi, and the good leaders and strong, energetic leaders, strong women included, of Emohua. I greet you all. Gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, when we stepped in here, you said, don't campaign. Don't campaign. And you have a reason for telling us not to campaign. Because you have seen, and you will continue to see what we are doing. Is it not? Let me say this. A tiger doesn't give birth to a sheep. I hope you know that. Governor Wike is a tiger. What he stands and what he supports definitely will be a tiger. Is it not? You call him tiger because he has given you road. He didn't come to talk and talk and talk without performing. You call him tiger because he has given you security. Is it not? You call him tiger because he has given you good school. School that your sister's son pushed down. He gave you back the school. Is it not? Now he has brought another tiger. The tiger that will continue from where he stops. What are the things that we are going to do? That security that he has given to you, we will sustain it. For your information, that road that they used to kidnap people, you know it now, the one you share between the Calabaris, we will make sure that that activity is put to an end. What is the other thing that we are going to continue? You have the land, you have the natural vegetation for agriculture. We will come there. Our tiger has given you road, giving you access. We will now rest our development on those access roads. We will give you mechanized agriculture. It will provide employment and other things. Will security issue be there again? No. We will also give you another special thing. Outside the issue of the agriculture, we will make sure that the remaining places in this L.G.A that are disconnected from electricity, we will give you electricity. We are not government that will come here and dance. No be that one, eh? You know it now. We are those governments. When we come, we will look at your faces, we understand your problem, and we attend to them. You have asked us not to campaign. That I shouldn't campaign. My deputy shouldn't campaign. The senator shouldn't campaign. The House of Reps shouldn't campaign. The Assembly shouldn't campaign. Well, thank you. But you still need to do better than telling us not to campaign. Make sure that every vote, including that of the enemy, we snatch it from them and put it in one basket. Because you know where we are going. It's not a direction that you don't know. You know Governor Wike, you know Fubara, you know L.G.A, you know Emohua, you know Justina. Is your problem not solved? Is your problem not solved? So I want to thank every one of you again for your support, your solidarity, your affirmation to the new Rivers vision. Now, we're talking about the consolidation and the continuity of that vision. God will bless you all for your continuous support. PDP will remain the party in this L.G.A, and PDP will remain the party in this state. God bless you all.
PDP! Please, without pleasure, Your Excellency, the governor of the state, your people are waiting for you. Your Excellency, it's time for you to speak to Emohua people. They are grateful for what you have done for them. Now, so for this occasion, they want to see you. You want to see the governor? You want to see our governor? Yes, sir. You want to see the governor? Yes, sir. Wave your hands. Wave your flag. Welcome the deacon. Welcome the deacon. Welcome the deacon. Welcome the deacon.
Yeah, we got the combo. Yeah, Mr. Roger the combo. Yeah, Mr. Roger the combo. Power to the people.
But you say you are ready. This does not sound like those who are serious to make sure the other associations don't near Emohua local government. PDP! Well, it does appear you have just tried to start. But let me see whether you are really ready for us today. PDP! Power to the people! Power to our women! Power to our youth! Power to our local government! Power to River State! Power to all of you. I put it in America. Yeah. I'm a one of the America. Yeah. America. Yeah. And I'm a Sagri. A Sagri. Our dear leaders, let me respectfully stand with the already established protocol and to sincerely thank the people of Emohua local government area for coming out en masse to welcome us for today's PDP gubernatorial, senatorial, House of Representatives, and Assembly campaign in your local government. This is the third local government we have visited or we are visiting since Monday, the 16th of January 2023. My dear good people of Emohua local government, what is important for all of us is to say, down to 2019, I did say to you, if you give us support, I will come back and thank you. And you can agree with me that all the promises we have made to the glory of God, we have kept them and we are still keeping them. I just want to draw your attention back so that we'll all know where we are coming from. When I came on board, I did say I'm going to walk on Iban, Obodeba to Isobo Road. Have I done it? Have I done it? Yes. When I came on board, I said I'm going to do Isobo Road. Have I done it? Yes. Have I done it? Yes. When I came on board, I said I'm going to do Rumakwende Road. Have I done it? Have I done it? Yes. When I came on board, I said I'll do Chief Awuse Road. Have I done it? Have I done it? When I came, I said I'll do Motogo Road. Have I done it? Have I done it? Yes. When I came, I said I'll do Mbutanwo Road. Have I done it? Have I done it? Yes. When I came, I was saying Tana Roads of our Bakri. Am I doing it? Am I doing it? When I came, I said I'll do Akwabu Road. Have I done it? Have I done it? When I came, I said I'll do Akwabu to Ebada Road. Am I doing it? Am I doing it? When I came, I saw body to Ojudo Road. Am I doing it? Yes, sir. Am I doing it? Yes, sir. When I came, I saw Bakintana Road. Are we doing it? Are we doing it? Yes, sir. I came, have awarded Ebada and Tana Road. I have awarded Ebada and Tana Road. Now, I have said I did eliminate Tana Road. Have I done it or not? I promise you, your son brought down the school, Emohua, government school Emohua. Did he rebuild it? I told you I would build it back. Am I doing it? Am I doing it? Now, what is governance? I told you I will give you a campus of River State University. Have I brought it? Have I brought it? Now ask yourself, what is governance? What is governance? Governance is make promise and fulfill the promise. Governance is to have confidence of the people. Governance is to tell the people, I am with you. Today, I want to tell you, my successor has said it, but he may not have understood what he said. This evening, we're having a meeting with Jonas Berger. I will do an eye from East-West Road of Emohua to Talma Junction. East-West Road to Talma Junction. In essence, Emohua to Talma. All those areas of kidnap will be 18 of the past. Now so, fire! So, if you are from Emohua local government, challenge any of them. When they come, what are you promising us? You promised before, did you do it? No.